Today I am making stomach digestive juice, iron rich and weight loss detox Indian juice. So let's get started. First of all, I am taking these vegetables, which is I am showing you. Neem leaves 8 to 10, 1 Indian gooseberry, 1 Karela bitter gourd, 1 beetroot, 1 carrot, 2-inch Loki gourd means ghee, half-inch fresh raw turmeric means haldi. It is good for health, so you must add it, and half lemon, fresh coriander leaves and neem leaves. So finally I gonna show you last but not the least. You know what is this? This is the petha, white petha. It will be available from any vegetable shop. It come only in winter. Now we will cut this. We'll cut this in slices like cut watermelon. There are many pumpkin seeds in it which are very good for health. Now I'm gonna show you. It is white in inside. See this. There are many seeds. Now peel it off. Now I tell you, these all vegetables are work perfect. You would be surprised to know that you can gain your whole day's requirement of vitamin C through this magic juice and build your defense system against bacteria and virus. So let's make detox Indian juice. Before making juice, keep a strainer in the bowl. Now juice is ready to serve. Take a 1 glass, add black salt in it and squeezed half lemon and 1 sliced lemon. Now pour the juice in it. Now detox juice is ready. You must have every day or alternate days in the early morning, because it is healthy drink and weight loss drink. Hope you like this video. You must try at home and be healthy and safe. Thanks for watching the Ritz Kitchen, and if you like my videos, like and share, subscribe also and press the bell icon button.